Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on your close friends on your Instagram. To go live on your close friends on Instagram is quite a simple process. For this, open your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on a small plus icon present on the down. After this, scroll towards right and then on the last you'll be able to find live option. Now here you'll be able to find everyone option present on the top of the circle. Tap on everyone. Now tap on close friends option on the second. After you do so, now tap on the small circle. With this, now you'll be able to go live with your close friends on Instagram. Now after you go live, you'll be able to see green live button on the top. That means only your close friends will be able to see you go live on Instagram. This is how we can go live on your close friends on Instagram. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.